In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted TikTok messages with ease. If you've ever accidentally deleted important messages on TikTok and found yourself needing to recover them, don't worry, you're not alone. And there's a straightforward way to get those messages back. TikTok has a built-in feature that allows you to download your data, which includes all your messages, and today I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, grab your smartphone. Whether you're using an Android or an iOS device, the steps are the same. Open the TikTok application to start. Once you've got TikTok open, head over to your profile page. You can do this by tapping the icon that looks like a person at the bottom right corner of your screen. When you're on your profile page, look for the hamburger button, which appears as 3 horizontal lines located at the top right corner. Give that a tap. Next, move on to select Settings and Privacy from the menu that appears. Within this menu, you'll find an option called Accounts. Tap on that and scroll until you see Download Your Data. Once you're there, tap it. You're now in the Request Data section. Here, TikTok allows you to request a backup of your data in different forms. You have 2 options. You can either keep it as default, which will cover everything, or if you're specifically interested in your messages, you can tap on All Data, followed by Custom, and select Messages. Once you've made your choice, tap Done. With your selection finalized, it's time to review the data and file format. TikTok offers you a choice between TXT and JSON formats, but for ease of use, I recommend the TXT format. It's straightforward and easy to read. So once you've confirmed everything, tap on Request Data. Now your request will be processed and TikTok will start exporting your data. Bear in mind, the retrieval process isn't instant. It might take a few days, so a bit of patience is necessary. Once the file is ready, TikTok will notify you, and you can go back to the Download Data section. Here, you'll find the option to download your file. Tap on Download, choose your preferred format again if prompted, and you're done. Those previously deleted messages will now be back in your possession in a convenient format. And that's it! You've successfully requested your data backup and recovered your TikTok messages. While it might take a little time to process, having access to this data backup can be incredibly useful, not just for messages, but for other kinds of data as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.